Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Blender Render AMD versus NVIDIA. Choosing the right graphics card is a pivotal decision for any Blender artist, directly impacting your rendering speed and efficiency. We'll dive deep into how these two industry giants stack up, examining their strengths and weaknesses across various rendering tasks. My goal is to help you make an informed decision, ensuring your next GPU investment perfectly aligns with your creative needs and budget, ultimately enhancing your Blender experience significantly. When it comes to raw rendering power, NVIDIA has historically held an edge, particularly in Cycles with its dedicated RT cores and OptiX acceleration, often showing a 20 to 30% lead in complex scenes. However, AMD's recent advancements with HIP have closed the gap considerably, making them a strong contender. For real-time rendering in Eevee, both companies offer robust solutions, providing smooth viewport navigation and quick previews. Your choice here might depend heavily on the specific rendering engine you utilize most frequently. Beyond raw speed, the feature set and ecosystem play a vital role. NVIDIA boasts OptiX, a highly optimized ray tracing engine, and a very mature CUDA platform, which benefits from widespread third-party software support. AMD, on the other hand, champions HIP, an open-source solution that offers greater flexibility and cross-platform compatibility. Both companies are constantly refining their drivers and software integration, aiming for maximum stability and performance within Blender. Consider which ecosystem aligns best with your existing tools and preferred workflow. Finally, let's talk about your wallet. The cost-effectiveness of AMD versus NVIDIA can vary significantly across different price points. AMD often presents a very compelling value proposition in the mid-range GPU market, delivering excellent performance for hundreds of dollars less. NVIDIA's flagship cards, while powerful, usually come with a higher price tag, reflecting their cutting-edge technology. Remember to factor in power consumption and the longevity of your investment. Ultimately, the best choice balances your budget with your specific rendering demands, ensuring you get the most bang for your buck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.